Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my YouTube kids. Today we will write about cow. So let's start. Number 1 point is the cow is a pet animal. Number 2 point is IT. It HAS has FOUR for LEGS legs. It has 4 legs. Number 3 point is IT. It HAS has TWO 2 EYES eyes AND and TWO 2 EARS ears. It has 2 eyes and 2 ears. Number 4 point is IT. It HAS. It has TWO 2 HORNS. It has 2 horns. Number 5 is IT. It HAS has. It has ONE. It has 1 NOSE nose. Number 6. It has a long tail. Number 7 point is cow gives us milk. Number 8. It eats green grass. Number 9. It is a gentle animal. Number 10. We should take care of cow. आई होप सो आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। मज़ीद ऐसी वीडियोस के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, मेरी वीडियो को शेयर करें, लाइक करें और प्यारा सा कमेंट्स करें। मज़ीद ऐसी वीडियोस के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.